Dear Alice, well, lots has changed the last few months, and you have taken it in your stride. I bawled when it first hit me, but you have kept your cool. I'm really proud of how you have adjusted, and although I am grateful that we are now easing towards a life that is more familiar than the one we are living in April and May, I realise that there are things to be grateful for from that funny time too. Mostly I am grateful to you for being the cuddliest child I could imagine. Thank you for hours of hugs every day. Thank you for your open heart and for the ease in which you let the words I love you spill out. I love you too. I love that I have been able to see into the wilderness of your imagination, that you have sung and danced every day, that you have learned to write, that you are learning to read, that you can walk for miles, that you make up constant jokes that make absolutely no sense. I love that you have kept me active and that we have both found yoga and that it gives us time away from each other. I am grateful that you need to take time too. You've kept me going with your need for adventure. You've kept me active and got me up and at every day. You have filled my pockets with flowers, sneaking in daisies as we walk. The dead flowers litter my clothes and remind me that I am a walking receptacle for your searches. I can't read that word. You're something, your impulse, and I don't mind. I have no choice but to take the attention off of myself, and I am happier. I have learnt to relax, to expect less from myself, and not to mourn the passing of days which haven't gone the way I anticipated. I haven't had time to achieve in the way I would probably have perceived achievement, and instead I have finally, aged 40, learned how to just be. Thank you for pushing me into that place. Thank you for singing and adventuring and for keeping me steady. And thanks for just about letting me write this down. Love you more than biscuits, more than bubbles, more than beaches. Rhiannon.